Managing your training shouldn't be a full-time job. How do you keep track of every course and make sure all its attendees are in the right place at the right time? Meet Learnsmarter. With our new calendar feature, we've removed the friction in learning by bringing training management directly into the flow of your team's work. Simply create and publish the courses you need. Your learners can view them as soon as they're active, directly in Experience site. Your learners can be registered internally, or you can give them permission to register themselves. In the Experience site portal, they can see custom buttons for many different actions, enabling them to add key dates to their own calendars, reschedule the course to a different date, or even cancel their registrations. If there is a virtual course available, then a Join Session link appears, so they don't have to juggle between their meeting app and Salesforce. They can just dial right in. What does this all mean for your business? More engaged learners, higher attendance company-wide, more completions, keeping your learner programs on time and on point. Start getting those key dates in your learners' diaries and get everyone up to speed with Learnsmarter.